Wait, stop, go. What genetic factors most influence evolution? Welcome to Scientific Station. I'm Brendan Crawwell. Most people know that our DNA makes us who we are. I have one nose in the middle of my face, two blue eyes, and two ears on the side of my head. What most people don't realize is that there are other parts of DNA that tell our genes to turn on and then to turn off. Once I have one nose, I don't want a second one to grow. So scientists have wondered, what factors most influence evolution? Is it changes in the DNA that tells me what my nose is going to look like? Or is it changes in the DNA that turn on the gene that makes my nose and then turns it off once I have one? David Kingsley of Stanford University looked at a study of stickleback fish to answer this question. Sticklebacks come in two varieties. There are saltwater sticklebacks and freshwater sticklebacks. The saltwater fish have a spine that extends past their abdomen, and the freshwater fish don't have this. It's an advantage for the saltwater fish to have this spine because larger fish that want to eat them don't want to get poked in the mouth. But the freshwater fish have to contend with dragonflies and other carnivorous insects where the spine would make it easier for them to grab on to eat them. So what David Kingsley looked at is, do these fish have different genes? One in the freshwater fish that tells them to make a spine, and the freshwater fish lack that? Or is it something to do with the regulation? What he found is both the freshwater and the saltwater fish have the gene to make the spine that grows past the abdomen. But the freshwater fish lack the promoters in the DNA telling this gene to turn on. He also took the DNA from the saltwater fish that tells this gene to turn on and inserted it into freshwater fish, which then grew this spine past the abdomen. This effect has also been noticed in some studies in fruit flies in Africa, some of which have yellow bellies and others of which have black bellies. And there's some current studies going on looking into mouse coat color to see if it's the regulation that determines the expression of the gene. For more information, visit scientificstation.com.